camaraderie, education, forklift certification, virtual reality. Wait, virtual reality? Yes, that's right. It's an exciting time here at the Adecco Group US Foundation as we continue to identify pioneering ways to ensure today's workers reach their full potential. Sometimes that means pushing the technology envelope, and in this case, utilizing virtual reality not as a game, but as a tool to allow individuals to experience a job before moving ahead with career-advancing training. We recently collaborated with Raymond Handling Solutions to provide one-of-a-kind virtual forklift training to an eager and deserving group of recruits outside of Los Angeles, California. Through innovative upskilling, top-performing general laborers can forge ahead in their career path by becoming OSHA certified to drive forklifts. This training, sponsored by the Foundation, allows employees to increase their job satisfaction, increase their earning potential, and strengthen their employer-employee relationship. The training not only felt extremely real, it was fun, and most importantly, it was impactful. Achieving certification instilled confidence and prepared these ambitious new hires to hit the ground running.
Totally, it helped me out, and it got me ready for the job. Now I feel about the ins and outs 100%, get the job done, and the main key is safety. I feel like I'm ready and I can operate a forklift, on top of that, get the task done.
It's days like these, reactions like these, that make us proud of our commitment to accelerating new solutions in the world of work. To learn more about the Adecco Group US Foundation, visit AdeccoGroupFoundationUS.org.